Court Uncut. What the people want.
There? Oh, page 7 you said, or page 5?
I'm sorry, there's one on 7 too, page 5.
Is it Bear?
Right, yes, sir.
Miss Bear, you're charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am. Stop. Just don't say anything, please. We're going to do probable cause. I want to know what happened, and then we'll go from there. All right, you ready?
Yes, just 1 moment, sorry, so. All right, thank you. On April 7, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer conducted a traffic stop for illegal intent. I will preface to you, Judge, there are no further facts to the traffic intent. Upon contact with the defendant, the law enforcement officer noticed the strong odor of marijuana from the vehicle. When the law enforcement officer asked for insurance, the defendant opened the glove compartment and law enforcement saw a bottle of methazine in plain view.
Yeah.
The officer then conducted a probable cause search that revealed a handgun in between the center console and the passenger seat where the defendant was sitting. The defendant stated that the gun was hers, and that's all I have.
Were you here? I guess you didn't. We were here Friday, same thing on Friday. We've got tent and nothing else.
I was here Thursday with the illegal intent, but they don't actually, there was nothing in the report, but they did it, but they don't grading up when they do the traffic stop.
Miss Bear, I'm going to find that there's no probable cause to go forward with your case. You have an open felony case. It's very possible that if you continue to pick up cases, they revoke that bond, put you in jail, and make your bond sky high. Do you understand? While you're on bond, you're supposed to live as if you have a halo above your head. And when you don't, there are serious consequences. Get a clue. Do you understand? All right, please take a seat. All right, good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
All of you guys have picked up cases from another state, so we need to figure out what's going on. Who is Mr. Burnett? Mr. Burnett, you are wanted out of Florida for the charges of battery, criminal mischief, grand theft in the first degree, and robbery by sudden snatching. Are you waiving formal extradition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We wish you the best of luck. Who is Mr. Perkins? Mr. Perkins, you're wanted out of the state of Illinois for first-degree murder. Are you waiving formal extradition?
Go home. I mean, to go back to Chicago.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, I wish you both the best of luck.
I need signatures on them, Judge.
Yeah, done.
Their signatures.
Oh, Deputy Chigoin, do you mind? And then, what is it? Amy, who's the gentleman?
This is Gordon Stock.
Golden Stock? Gordon Stock. Right. Good morning, Mr. Gordon Stock.
Also, they're going to use your bus today.
Hi, Katie.
Hi, Judge.
What's new?
Not much. I just got back from Cancun. What about you?
Man, life is good. Man, I want to go to Cancun.
It was pretty nice. Very pretty.
Anywhere is better, right? So
Yeah.
you said, is it? I don't see it on docket today. What was the last name?
Scott.
Oh, Scott. Wait a minute, Scott. Okay, Mr. Scott. I see you now. You were wanted out of the state of Oklahoma for drug trafficking and a robbery case. Okay. Shh.
Now, guys.
Your lawyer is asking for me to set you a bond. I don't know. You know, one of the main things that it concerns me are two. One, are you going to go back if we give you a bond? Number two, are you a dangerous person? Because I don't want to give you a bond and then you leave a wake of destruction on your way back to Oklahoma, because then, you know, it's not cool, right? So I don't know anything about you. The only way I really get to know you is by paper, because that tells me who you are. Amy, tell me about Mr. Scott.
Yes, he wanted out of Oklahoma County, Oklahoma for conspiracy to commit drug trafficking, marijuana, conspiracy to commit robbery, conspiracy to commit kidnapping for extortion. The bond over there is 1 million. This was issued April 3rd of this year.
Shreya?
Judge, Mr. Scott is 34 years old. He's never been arrested, no criminal history. He's lived in Houston his whole life. He is a Navy veteran and served 8 years, honorably discharged 2021. And again, I've spoken with Mr. Scott, well, without going into the facts or anything like that. He says he's absolutely innocent and wants to go turn himself in and let them know and handle the issue. He also has a plan to return. We talked about going back within 14 days. I urged within the first 5.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Did I
ma'am.
miss anything, Mr. Scott?
No, ma'am, we did.
Do you have anything else to let the judge know about whether he should give you a bond?
I'm not a criminal. I'm not I don't know what the word you said to the public. I have no risk. I'll be down there in 4 days. My pops will drive me down there. I want to go ahead and get it nipped in the bud. I'm already working on a lawyer. I'm just trying to get down there and handle my business. I own a business on the north side, a vape shops. I have no criminal history. I have not been in trouble. I'm 34 years old. Got a 4-year-old son, birthday coming up next month. I'm just trying to take care of my business.
State your position.
Judge, based on just the charges themselves and the fact that it is $1 million bond in the demanding jurisdiction, I would be opposed to a bond. I'm not seeing any extensive criminal history. I just see some like charges entitled crimes against person harassment.
You,
Hold up. I'm sorry.
oh, you see what?
I see a charge that says crimes against person harassment. But that appears to be dismissed. And then I see a failure to appear out of Denver Police Department. But when I ran his history, Judge, that's what I'm seeing. But again, just based on the charges and the $1 million bond, I would be hesitant.
John, I have never had no charge or any of that. I have not been arrested. I don't know what she said.
I understand, but the severity of the charges scare me.
No,
Mr.
yes,
Scott,
sir.
you know,
100% understand. But I have never,
I believe you, but the problem is that I think that the amount and the type of charges are probably just a little bit too dangerous for me. You know, I give bonds all the times, but with the conspiracy to commit the robbery and then the conspiracy to extort, what was it again?
Conspiracy to commit kidnapping for extortion.
Yeah, that kind of kills it for me, you know? So what we'll do now is, has he already waived or what is he?
He waived on April 11th.
Okay, so you have 3 days credit, right? We give them 14 days to come get you. If they don't come get you within the 14 days, and Harris County releases you. So, you know, we'll give you the time as the credit that you have now so that it'll go toward the 14 days. But that's a little bit too dangerous for me, man. I can't, you know?
Prior history. I've served my country. This is.
And I'm sure that'll go toward over there, but
Yeah.
me, it's a little too dangerous, man.
Hey, like I'm trying to get on top of it. I don't want to sit here and then they offset me. I'm ready to go take care of this. This has nothing to do with me.
What I would suggest is the thousands of dollars that you would pony up just to get out now, because if I were to set you a bond, I would set you a high bond, right? That money, you'd have to pay in full. It would probably be ill-advised just to use it to get out. I would get yourself a lawyer out there. You know what I mean? That money's probably really better spent. Get yourself a good lawyer out there to take care of the charges, because they're probably looking at quite a bit of time. All right? Okay, man. Good luck, guys. Thanks.
Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss crazy courtroom moments like this one.